eThekwini Community Church is celebrating 15 years. So this year we are going to have our Passover starting on the 9th in the normal place that we always meet at, which is Gugu Dlamini Park, or you call it Central Park. We are going to put up a tent that will accommodate 15,000 people that represent 15 years of grace that we have traveled with God. So I'm inviting you and your families to be part of this celebration. It's in April, starting on the 9th, and we invite all of you to come and do with us. I want to welcome you, all of you, in the 2020 celebration of the Passover. God bless you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Aye.